Hello viewers, welcome back to my channel. Today I am here with an excellent evening snack recipe, cabbage pakoras. If you want to make an easy and innovative evening snack, cabbage pakoras will be the best choice for you. This dish will not take much time to prepare and tastes absolutely delicious. So let's see how to make this super crispy cabbage pakoras. These are the ingredients what I am using to prepare this crispy cabbage pakora. Here I have 2 cups of chopped cabbage. To this I am adding finely chopped ginger and finely chopped green chillies. Adding some masalas. 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder. 1 teaspoon of chili powder. 1/4 teaspoon of asafoetida or hing. And some salt. Here I have taken enough oil for deep frying these pakoras. So I am taking 1 tablespoon of slightly hot oil from this and adding this into the cabbage mixture. Adding slightly hot oil will give crispy texture for this pakora. Now this is the right time to add all the dry ingredients, adding half a cup of gram flour or besan. Along with this I am adding 1 tablespoon of rice flour, which will help to make these pakoras even more crispy. Sprinkle some water little by little just to combine all the ingredients together. Do not add too much water into this, that may make the pakoras really soft in texture. So this is the correct consistency what we require. Oil is really hot. At a time I am going to fry 5 pakoras. Fry this until they become golden in color. This may take 2 to 3 minutes. These pakoras became really crispy, you can see that. This is almost done. So these are ready. I am going to transfer this into an oil absorbent paper. These are really crispy and crunchy in texture. Let's fry all the pakoras like this. Do not fry too much pakoras at a time. Oil temperature may reduce all of a sudden and this may become soggy in texture. This is a very simple and quick evening snack recipe. So all our crispy and hot cabbage pakoras are ready to serve. Hope you liked today's video. If you like it, do not forget to click the like button. Subscribe to my channel if you are a new visitor. So until next time, bye bye.